Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this cute lock bun with some bangs in the front. This style doesn't take long at all. This is actually kind of one of my go-tos when my hair gets a little old. I just kind of bun and pull out some bangs and go on about my day. So if you guys would like to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is spritz my hair with water. It's pretty dry and that happens sometimes, so I'm going to just spritz it with water, and then I'm going to take some of my castor oil, which is like my two oil, really the only thing that I use. I'm going to rub that in my hands and just kind of apply it in my scalp mainly, as that's where all the new growth is coming in, and then I am going to rub it down the length of my locks to just get a little bit of moisture there as well. Now what you're going to see me do is pull out my bangs. I'm going to pull out about, I don't know, maybe 4 to 6 pieces on each side. And then I'm going to take a scrunchie and pull my hair in a bun. Next, I'm going to take some hairpins and I'm just going to place those in my hair to pin down those locks that are just kind of like sticking up. My hair is really at like an awkward length, and so whenever I try to do a bun, I have to take some hairpins to kind of just pin down those locks that are just kind of sticking up all over the place, as you can see. Next, I'm going to take some of my lock gel and just apply it to my edges just to lay them down a little bit because they are looking a little unruly, which doesn't really bother me, but if I'm doing like a bun, I would like it to, you know, look nice and sleek. Next, I'm going to begin to braid my locks. I'm going to take about 3 locks and braid all the way down to the end. So at the end, I'll have about 4 locks altogether. I'm sorry, 4 altogether. And then I'm going to take a bobby pin and just pin each braid down at the front of my head. Now, typically for this look, I would take my scarf and tie my hair down at night. But for the sake of the video, I went ahead and just kind of sat under a dryer. But I'm just kind of giving you guys a visual of what this really looks like when I do this style. And then the next day, I take it off and I just pretty much unravel my locks. Like I said before, I sat under the dryer, and so now I'm just unraveling my hair after sitting under the dryer. Alright guys, well that is it for this easy lock, bun, and bang. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, comment in my comment section down below. Let me know what you think and what other kind of styles that you guys want to see me do with my locks. I am currently a year and 11 months lock. I'll be celebrating my 2-year lock journey next month in April, so be on the lookout for my 2-year lock journey video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Peace. Be blessed. Bye, guys.